by the edge of the river. I didn't earn much, so there wasn't much to give her. Although we were poor, we were rich in a way. For our love was love, and it filled every day with a soft warm glow. We were happy. One night she awoke, burning up with a fever. I knew she needed help, but I didn't want to leave her. I ran through the night till I thought I would drop. I got to the road, but not one car would stop. And I knew she was dying. I knelt by her side and I prayed until morning. And then as the first sight of dawn gently touched her sweet face, I could tell she was gone. We lived in a shack by the edge of the river. I didn't earn much, so there wasn't much to give her. But though we were poor, we were rich in a way. For our love was love, and it filled every day with the soft warm glow. We were happy. Cultures depending on our race. There's no language barrier from our monkey base.
Strive for life, strive for freedom, this will really pay. Exercise our